Good morning, lovely friends. The unicorn spirit wants us to know that we are healers and we have the power to help and heal others. There's sweet results awaiting us, and nothing is wasted, says the animal spirit. We must be careful, do not take risks. There's goodness coming your way, good news, good vibes, good everything coming your way. There's love all around you. So be here in the now. Very soon you're going to be laughing your head off. There is peace and harmony coming back into your life. Somebody is behaving stupidly, but just be yourself. Be generous with spirit and kind and compassionate. Sometimes life does sting, but know your worth and stay focused. With the peace with your family, the Spirit says you are never alone. You are being given the strength, the inner strength, and they want you to bring your ideas into life now. Take care, there will be a loss, or there will be a loss of material wealth. You must set healthy boundaries and stay positive, and it's time now to heal. You getting good advice from a wise person to take time out and see the bigger picture. And this is going to help you move from the chaos to a more peaceful lifestyle. And our loved ones say, share the message of love. The universe says, yes, they're with you on that area. And they want you to know that spirit has your back. Have a lovely day, everybody. Love you all so, so much.